our transition moves are the inhale, exhale. This is a nice pause that brings us into state. We want to feel ourselves expand. Notice I rise on my knees a little bit and really let the energy open up. Feel that expanding energy and then contract. We do this regularly. It's a hallmark of Sun style Tai Chi. So we're here, we open and close. And our next movement is to shift our weight, bring our hand up to step back and out, sweep with the left hand, push forward, and follow step. Let's do that again. Notice, by the way, my feet have this much distance. They still have a hip width of distance or so, maybe a little bit closer, so that I can rock my heel on my heel, put my toes forward, and on my toes, put my heel back, and I'll end up pretty much in line. And you want to get this comfortable where you can step and follow and roll on the toes and the heel and be back in line. Let's try that a couple times. We're in, step, shift the weight. Make sure that your hips shift forward and you bend this knee. This is the crux of this form and really Tai Chi in general. From here to here, and this back leg comes back. My toe is right about at the heel and a good hip width apart so that I can turn and my feet are nice and level. So you can see my feet here. Ish. Okay. So here we go. We come up. Right hand is up. We step. Brush back the coattails. Push forward and follow step. Let's do that again. We're in, out, push, and follow. Nice and slow. Up, check. Push, follow. All right. From here, we're going to step back. Bring the hands right beside each other. As we shift back, the toe comes in. So we're here. You can come back to this point. Step back. Glide the hands past each other as we shift our weight onto this back leg. Bring the toe up. Good. We're forward. We're here with the foot following in. Back and ready. So from the top, we're here. Step, push, follow. Back, back, cat stance. Here, step, push, follow, back, cat stance. Go ahead and get that worked out. Keep practicing. Watch the video again if you don't have it.